what are the main benefits of the Cordyceps capsules and to know if this can be taken by people of any age, including kids.
Yes, yes, definitely. Cordyceps can be from even 1 year, one day old child to 100 years person. They can take Cordyceps. What is the difference between Cordyceps and Ganoderma? Ganoderma is a generalist. It works on the whole body. So Ganoderma is a foundation. We always use Ganoderma to build the body. Cordyceps is a specialist. It works very fast on lung and kidney. So those people, they say they have chronic cough, they always cough, sinus, the kidney problem. Kidney also affect the sexuality of men, you know. Kidney system also affect the womb of woman or has period pains. All these things, Cordyceps are very fast, good and fast. In many cases also, many are members they combine Cordyceps and lion mane. The lion mane is very good for the stomach system. Nowadays, 50% of people they have stomach problem once in a while. 50% nowadays. So those who take Cordyceps, sometimes they also take lion mane together. It can be for any age. For young baby, you can crush it and put into the milk. The lungs problem, kidney problem, Cordyceps is very good. Energy problem, lack of energy, Cordyceps also very good. Plus a woman having womb problem, Cordyceps also very good. Next question, please.